In this video, we will introduce how to get started using matplotlib in Python. So if you want to use matplotlib, first have to import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Then can, for example, plot this phone number in a line. And the Python will assume these values represent the y value, y-axis. Then x-axis will have the value from 0 to 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 for value. So the result is a line. I can set two lists. So this is the x-axis, this for the y-axis, and with property for the line type, we use the first alphabet to represent the color, R represents red. Then the second is for the symbol, like a small o. You see, so if we use the symbols, the result is the scatter plot. I can also set the range for the axis. So for example, if we set the range for the x-axis is 0 to 5, for the y-axis is 0 to 20. I can also set the title for the plot. Then we create a plot with same red color and for the symbol. You can see the range for the axis has been set according to the value we defined in the plot. And for most of data you use in matplotlib, usually create Numpy and the array. For example, we first import mass and Numpy, then create an ND array using arrange function from Numpy. Next, we create 3 y value array using Numpy's sum function. Then we can plot t 3 sun lines in one figure using plot t at y1. Then the type b represents black color with the star for this line, and ty2 using the green color with this shape. The ty3 use the yellow with this shape. See, represents 3 different lines with different color and shape. You also show, for example, for the y2 only with the color, so the shape will be a line, not a scatter plot. Here we only for the line. And you can also set 2 shape here. For the y2, we only with the color, with the line. For the y3, also with 2 symbol. It's very beautiful color. So next, we will show using KWARGs The objects that make up a chart have many attributes that characterize them, and these attributes are all default values but can be set through the use of keyword args arguments, so often referred to as kwargs. So here we can set the line width with a number. So a line for these 8 numbers. And matplotlib allows you to manage multiple figures simultaneously. So the argument of the subplot function is composed of 3 integers. The first number defines how many parts the figure is split into vertically, and the second number defines how many parts the figure is divided into horizontally, and the third issue selects which is the current subplot on which you can direct commands. So let us see 2 examples. We create 3 Numpy array for t, y1 and y2. Then we use plot.subplot. So for the 2, 1, 1, which means there are 2 rows totally in the plot area and 1 columns. So there are totally 2 subplots arranged vertically, and the last one represents the first subplot we want to work with now. And for this, which means here we will plot this line in the second subplot. So we plot. So you can see there are 2 subplots arranged vertically. The first one represents the relationship between t and y1 with the blue color and this shape for the line. And the second one with the red color with this kind of shape, illustrating the relationship between t and y2. And similarly, we can also plot these 2 subplots horizontally. So now, this is the first subplot here, and the relationship between t and y1 with blue color, and this for the relationship between t and y2 in the second subplot.